pangalan?
Sir, oh my God.
Ang pangalan?
Okay, here we go.
Julie po.
Have another interview here with a beautiful young lady.
Hi.
Tell me what makes it so special here in the Philippines.
Special daw. Bakit daw sa Pilipinas meron yung special? Katulad mo.
Ah! Siyempre, maraming maganda dito eh. Like me. Beautiful.
And then, what else?
Maraming magaganda dito sa Pilipinas.
Matutulungin, ganyan.
Matulungin, maganda, masipag, mapagmahal.
What else?
Yun lang.
Yun lang. That's what she said. That's it.
Okay. There we have it, folks. Great interviews here in the mall.
Yeah.
Thanks for being with me.